Hello students, welcome to the session of linear equations in one variable. What is linear equation? A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear equation. Actually, example for a linear equation ax is equal to b. This is a general format of a linear equation. An equation essentially contains of equality sign. To find the solution of a linear equation in one variable, we assume that the two sides of the equation are balanced. We are free to perform the same operation on both sides of the equation. First one, solving equations which have linear expressions on one side and numbers on the other side. We transpose the numbers from LHS to RHS and simplify. Then we divide both sides of the coefficient of the variable to get the solution. Finally, we check the solution by substituting it in LHS and checking whether RHS is obtained or not by doing so. If LHS is equal to RHS, the solution is said to be valid. Okay. The first problem, solve x minus 2 equal to 7. Now, we interchange the value minus 2 to RHS. So, transposing the minus 2 value to RHS, automatically the symbol change, that is plus. So, x is equal to 7 plus 2. What is the answer? X is equal to actually 9. This is the solution of this equation. The next one, y plus 3 is equal to 10. So, we have to transpose the plus 3 value to RHS. So, y is equal to 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3, what is the answer? That is 7. So, y is equal to 7 is the solution of this equation. Next one, 6x is equal to 12. Automatically, we have to change the product value to RHS, means that value goes to division. Okay. So, 6x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 by 6. 6 1s are 6 2s are. So, the x answer is 2. Next problem, 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. We need a x value. Transposing the constant 3 by 7 to RHS. That is, x is equal to 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. We have to subtract the value. The denominators are equal. So, automatically we have to subtract the numerator value. That is, common denominator is 7. What is our numerator? 17 minus 3. 17 minus 3, 14 by 7. 7 1s are 7 2s are. So, the x value is 2 only. The next problem, 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. So, 14y is our first term value. Transposing the minus 8 to RHS. So, 13 plus 8. What is the 13 plus 8 value? That is 21. 14y is equal to 21. Again, y is equal to, we have to move the 14 value to RHS. So, that is 21 by 14. Both are multiples of 7 only. So, we have to cancel using the number 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. What is the answer? Y answer? Y is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. Next method, solving equations having the variable on both sides. Already we finished some problem now, that is variable on one side only. Here the variables on both sides. Solving the equations and check your results. Question is 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. First we have to calculate the solution of this equation. Then we have to check our answers also. Now transposing the 2x value to LHS. 3x minus 2x is equal to 18. 3x minus 2x, what is the value? 1x. X is equal to 18. This is our solution. Now we have to check the answer. Okay. First we have to check LHS value. What is our LHS? 3x only. So 3 into 18. What is the answer? 54. Now we have to check the RHS. RHS value 2x plus 18. What is our x value? 18. So 2 into 18 plus 18. What is the 218 value? 36. 36 plus 18, automatically we have to write 54. So our LHS value is equal to our RHS answer. Okay. So LHS equal to RHS means the solution is said to be valid. Next, 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. So transposing the 2z value to LHS and change the 3 value to RHS. 4z minus 2z is equal to 6 minus 3. 4z minus 2z, what is the answer? 2z. 6 minus 3, what is the answer? That is 3. So z is equal to, we have to write 3 by 2. This is our answer. Now we are going to check the answer also. Okay. First we have to check the LHS. What is our LHS value given? 4z plus 3. Now we know the z value is 3 by 2. So 4 into 3 by 2 plus 3. 2 1s are 2 2s are. 2 into 3 6. 6 plus 3, what is the answer? That is 9. Next we have to take the RHS value. What is our RHS value? 6 plus 2z. So 6 plus 2 into what is our z value? That is 3 by 2. Now 2 to cancel. Directly we have to add the value 6 plus 3, that is 9. Now also LHS equal to RHS. Next problem. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 of x minus 1 plus 7. First we have to take the LHS directly. 8x plus 4. RHS 3 into x, 3x. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Plus 7. Now 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x. What is the minus 3 plus 7 value? That is plus 4. Okay. Now we have to change the value, transposing the 3x value to LHS. So 8x minus 3x is equal to, change the constant value to RHS, 4 minus 4. 8x minus 3x, that is 5x, is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 by 5. The answer is 0. Now we have to check our result. X is equal to 0. Apply the x value here. 8 into 0, 0. 0 plus 4, what is the answer? 4 only. Apply in RHS also. 0 minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Minus 3 plus 7 also 4. So our LHS is equal to RHS. So the solution is correct. The last problem, 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. Now transposing the 5m value to LHS. So 3m minus 5m is equal to minus 8 by 5. What is our 3m minus 5m value? That is minus 2m is equal to minus 8 by 5. In LHS also minus, RHS also minus we are having. So we have to cancel the values. Again 2 1s are, 2 4s are. So what is our final answer? M is equal to 4 by 5. This is our solution. That's all.